Who doesn't like some yummy blueberry muffins? Let's see how to make it. But first, let me make some muffin cups using parchment paper. Take a parchment paper piece, insert it into a glass using another glass, and your muffin cup is ready. Now let's start preparing the muffins. Into a bowl, add in some room temperature butter and blend it. Add in some sugar and blend it again. Add 2 eggs and blend it with the butter. Add some vanilla essence for the flavor. Now into this, add in baking powder, some salt, blend it. Now slowly add the flour little by little. Alternate the flour with some milk and blend it. Don't forget to scrape down the sides. Now our muffin batter is ready. Now let's add the main ingredient into it. That is the blueberries. You can crush some blueberries before adding, then it will give a nice color for the muffins. Now scoop this muffin batter into this homemade muffin liners. It'll be really easy to pour if you use an ice cream scoop. You can sprinkle some sugar on top of this batter, but instead of sprinkling just plain sugar, I'm mixing it with some cinnamon powder. Also place some whole blueberries. Now bake this on a 180-degree preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. Our yummy blueberry muffins are ready. Keep this in the tray itself for 2 to 3 minutes, then transfer this onto a wire rack. Enjoy this warm blueberry muffins with a cup of tea in the evening. Oh, it's just amazing. These muffins have perfectly baked, and the cinnamon sugar on top, it just adds the taste. Look at the beautiful purple color inside. So definitely try out this amazing, super soft and yummy blueberry muffins and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch amazing videos from our channel. Thank you.